The first steps to becoming a successful master speaker is to first of all get to know your voice as an instrument, because only then can you master the full power, resonance, and capacity of this incredible instrument that you have within. So when I'm first working with somebody, I would take them right inside their instrument, which is inside their body, and I help them to get to know what this incredible instrument is capable of and how to maximize the capabilities of this instrument. So I introduce you to good breathing technique, because breathing is 50% of good vocal production. If you're not breathing properly, then you're going to start using all kinds of other muscles and tension in the body to get your sound out. And these tensions and muscle constrictions could be constricting your sound, creating heavy sounds, or nasal sounds, or blocked sounds, or just edgy, tight sounds in your voice, which create extra tension and fatigue when you're speaking. So that's the first thing, good breathing technique. The next thing is you need to have a fully relaxed vocal apparatus, and that's your vocal cords. Your vocal cords are sitting in here, and they need to be completely relaxed of all that tension when you're speaking. The only way to relax them is to keep your throat open, keep your spaces open, and work that breath effectively. And then the last thing is to open up your resonance cavities so that your sound can come out with full volume and not be tight and stuck inside and edgy and frying and all these other sounds that we hear in people's voices. And it can really turn you off when you hear that in somebody's voice. So these are the first things that I unlock in a voice, as to unlock the instrument, get you to understand how your instrument works, and then you can really change the sound of a voice. I'm Lisa Hugo. I'm an executive voice coach. If you'd like to find out how you could change the sound and the quality of your voice and improve on the way that you speak, then please get in touch with me. I'd love to hear from you.